Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, and I'm also going to show you how to do it with a free traffic source and walk through the method step by step. I'm going to do that by showing you here on the screen an actual affiliate marketing funnel. You can see here your target audience. This is your target audience right here, and your end goal is to get them to the affiliate offer that you're promoting. So that means you got to build out a squeeze page. You need a YouTube channel in this case because this is the free traffic source that I'm going to be telling you about, YouTube. To get started with this, where do you actually start? What's the best place to start? Because you do need a YouTube channel. You do need a squeeze page. You do need to be building an email list. You will need more content and more offers in the form of a hub, a blog, web page, a website, more YouTube videos, Facebook posts, build a Facebook group. And you will need to pick an affiliate offer, and your affiliate offer will need to be inside what is called a niche. A niche in this case is your target audience, a group of people with a real problem that your affiliate offer provides the solution to. That's the entire point of affiliate marketing, is to let people know about a product or service that solves a problem that they have and that they're willing to spend money on. So let's start with the end in mind. Let's first think about what kind of affiliate offer we're going to promote. And to do that, we really want to focus in on what is the best offer to promote on YouTube, meaning for us to create content, what are we most suited to creating content for? Are you okay with being on camera, like here I am talking to you right now, or would you prefer to just do a screen recording or a slideshow? Because either one will work. There are hurdles to overcome depending on which one you pick, no matter what you pick. But the point is you will be creating videos as content on YouTube to promote your affiliate offers. The great thing about this and the best thing about this method is the traffic is free. Also, it means, if you look here on the diagram again, that to get your target audience over to the affiliate offer via your squeeze page and your email list, by creating content on YouTube, what you are doing is you are building content and you are allowing your target audience to find your content versus going out and actively trying to find your target audience through paid ads or through posts on Facebook. This is very similar to doing SEO or search engine optimization and writing blog posts, but instead of blog posts, you're going to be doing it on YouTube because the simple fact is YouTube traffic ranks quicker and it's easier to figure out the algorithm in regards to getting your video suggested next to other content versus a single results page on Google. It's very hard to wind up on that page. YouTube, you have a lot more opportunity to show up in the rankings, as well as simple fact is it's a whole lot easier to create a YouTube video and post it and instantly connect with your target audience. So again, how are you going to make money online as an affiliate marketer? In my opinion, the best way to do it is what you see here on screen. Create a YouTube channel, create content that your target audience is interested in, show them how they can solve your problem, redirect them over to your squeeze page, add them to your email list, send them to more content and offers. Of course, the ultimate goal being to get them over to your affiliate offer and earn a commission once they purchase it. And then because you built an email list, your target audience will remain your audience and you'll be able to send them to more of your content and additional offers and continue to earn commissions, therefore building a real online sustainable business as an affiliate marketer, because yes, affiliate marketing is a real business. So if you'd like to learn more on exactly how to set this up and how to get started, of course, you can keep watching all the videos here on my YouTube channel, link in the description, but also link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that will allow you to get started and get this up and running. Within 7 days, you will be able to have your online business. And of course, when you do that, you'll have direct access to me to ask me any questions. That way, you're able to get this up and running and be successful as soon as possible. Because that's what I'm here for, is to help you succeed as you start your journey and as I continue my journey. Again, a link in the description for that simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that is going to walk you through finding the affiliate offer, setting up your squeeze page, building an email list, creating your YouTube channel, and getting your target audience from YouTube onto your email list, over to your affiliate offer, and earning those commissions. Link in the description. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like this one. They're right here. Click them, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.